Tongan Kiwis turned up in droves to Auckland's Mount Smart Stadium today with supplies for their families who are struggling after the weekend's twin disaster. Our government's announced it's giving an additional $2 million, bringing the total contribution to $3 million. But as Laura James reports, help will be needed for months to come.
Water. They ask for water.
Filling barrels with that and more, ready to send to loved ones back home.
Can of meat, cooking oil, flour, sugar, rice.
Also slipped in.
Kids in Tonga, they ask for chocolate every time.
While some communication's been re-established, many are still unable to contact their families.
Every day, every night, oh my gosh. Sick of trying to connect with them.
They're worried, so today they turned up to Auckland's Mount Smart Stadium with donations.
Collections began here at 9 a.m, but people have been queuing here since 8 o'clock this morning, and the line is at least a kilometre long.
We wait patient, and anyway, we know there's a lot of people going to be here.
As you can see from the numbers of hundreds of Tongan families that are here, we'll probably fill these 6 to 8 containers probably today and tomorrow.
Everything you have, all your creature comforts at home, these people don't have. So they rely on people's support, on the government support, and this will go a long way.
Tonga's landscape's taken a real beating.
Here's the driveway.
The full extent of the damage continuing to emerge. Mango Island residents are believed to have escaped with just the clothes on their backs. Mote Pahulu's still coming to terms with the news his childhood home's been wiped out.
The little island has been developed a lot, and it's quite nice little houses and beautiful churches, and now it's all gone. So,
devastating.
Devastating.
We know that somewhere between 100 and 200 families have lost everything.
The Tongan King today saying we can face difficulties by standing together.
A lot of the Tongans have taken solace in the message.
Our Defence Force made a first drop of essential supplies yesterday.
The island looked a lot greyer. It was still Tonga, you know, but I just think that the volcano's done quite a lot of damage to the place.
All aid contactless due to the pandemic. 2 of our Navy ships have now arrived, this team assessing the seafloor.
I'm incredibly proud to be working in a position where I can actually help out.
It's good to see such an early response, but I think what's important is the ongoing response, because it won't end here. 1 week, 2 weeks from now, I'm sure in 2 months we'll still need support.
This collection site's set to remain open for at least a week. So many families wanting to help and sending their love. Laura James, One News.